Hello everyone, as you can see that I'm standing right in front of BJ's at the moment, and today we're again expecting between 7 to 12 inches of snow, and snow has already been started, as you can see right here. I will make further more videos when the snow is much more. As you can see at the moment, the roads are not really that much, occupied with the snow, but later on it's gonna be white everywhere. So hang tight and I'll see you later. As you can see that I'm right here standing outside the Target. The snow is on its continuous pace, and looks like yeah, as you can see right there, but anyway, it's gonna grow more and more. But till then, I'll make more videos and show you guys around. Well, thank you so much, and I'll see you in a bit. Right, ladies and gentlemen, after an hour, the situation is right in front of you. So yeah, with the passage of time, I'm gonna record more videos and show you guys around. But for now, this is the situation, and I'll see you later. All right, everyone, as you can see that the snow is actually really too much going on at the moment, and we do have a camera today. It's an outdoor camera. It's a Wise camera, so I have a 32 gigs of SD card installed on it. It's an outdoor camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot today and see how it goes. As you can see that almost like 1 inch of snow is already there, but we'll go ahead and fix the camera, and then we'll monitor the things from the camera. All right, show you from the camera. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see that our Wise cam, the outdoor cam, is right there, and it is recording. Yeah, the snow is continuous, and let's see what happens. As I said earlier as well, that it's gonna be 12 inches of snow, so we're gonna see that what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna record another clip shortly after a few minute or an hour or so, and I'll see you again. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, quite snow, and it's getting more and more. So we're heading towards that way. I want to find out where my kids and my wife went, and on top of that, I just wanted to record this clip as well. I'll be recording a couple more clips in order to get them together and put a video, so I can make the 3rd or 4th episode of this snow season. As you can see that I can probably see your catcher and throw a second clip on top of this. See you later. Alright, so that's the camera that's recording. It's a Wyze camera. Pretty good result, to tell you the truth. So here we are. When it comes to snow, 2 hours or 3 hours later, the snow is almost covered. It's almost covered the surrounding. Can't see anything, you know, uncover. There you go. Alright, so it's not a fun thing to do, but I am doing it for you guys, so you guys can enjoy the video and see the snow falling in Pennsylvania, in the United States. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how do you like the video. I recorded the previous video as well, and I hope that you guys have seen that video. But this is another episode. In this episode, I'm taking you a little bit away from, you know, the town that I live. So let's go. All right, guys. The temperature is decreasing. It's minus 4 degrees Celsius probably at the moment, and it's gonna go down to minus 6, minus 7 probably. So we'll continue to be here, and as you can see right here, yeah, too much snow going on, and I'm gonna take you to some cool place to show you around. Alright folks, as you can see that not too many people around. The roads are almost empty. Right there, nobody's on the road. But here I am, who is recording the video for you guys to give you entertainment that you guys deserve. Alright, it looks like it's about like 2.5 inches of snow already, and it is going to be much more. So as you can see that the local government, the county, the district is responsible for removing the snow. So what happens, like they throw the salt on the roads just so the snow does not get stick to the roads, and then they just every here and there 20 minutes or 30 minutes they always take a route and they always check it out, making sure that there's not much snow stick on the roads. There are some private vehicles as well. Those are hired by either the malls or the places, and they also take care of the snow that they sometimes remove. Just like here, as you can see that there's so much snow, and usually people hire local contractors as well, so they remove the snow. So right in front of me is Wendy's. If you guys are familiar with fast food chains like KFC and McDonald's, Wendy's is one of the better one. I would say that much better than McDonald's. McDonald's is definitely a piece of crap here in America, but in a lot of countries like Thailand, it is much more better. But as you can see, businesses are not that much great. There are no people inside, no dining inside due to the COVID-19 situation, and people are only doing takeout and online order. It is definitely very difficult to record the video because the temperature is really below the 0 Celsius, and if you're recording, especially like me, bare hands, so it gets really cold. and that's why I take breaks. I take out the camera and then, you know, put it back and then record it again. Snow is one of the most amazing time, as you can see, and a lot of people like snow too much, like me as well. I really like snow, but there are a lot of people who don't really like snow, and that's why those people usually like to stay in Florida or some place like that, where, you know, there is tropical weather or something. But yeah, looks like snow is getting much more at the moment. We're here outside, as you can see right here, just turning the camera towards me. I don't like to be filmed, but I'm just trying to take something for you guys. You know, many times one of my friends actually mentioned to me that, you know, you should come in the camera as well sometimes. So that's why I said, all right, I'll try my best, because the problem is this: I don't really have any at the moment, like tripods or any other like selfie sticks or this and that. So that's really difficult for me to film myself, and it just, you know, shakes here and there. But I do love to take you know, other people videos, and I definitely love to do the travel vlogging and, you know, sightseeing and this and that. So here we are, not really far from my place. We're just you know, I'm just walking around and, you know, recording the video. As you can see that this mall is completely, like, mostly, I would say 98%. There are no people, there are no cars even standing here, and as you can see right there, the snow vehicles are taking care of snow. They're just cleaning the roads. Back in my area, the snow is rocking. It is it's just still going on, and that is gonna be off tomorrow, because the snow is not gonna get you know, clear very soon. But let's see what happens. Snowflakes like that. See the snowflakes, it just does look cute, right? Alright guys, I'm back to my place, and as you can see that my face is almost, you know, wet with snow, and snow is all over my jacket, and you know, it's a scary situation at the moment. So I definitely gotta go inside and sit down and, you know, relax for a while and drink some tea. I will continue to make you know, the full episode with the snow, and I'll share later on. Probably I'll record in an hour or so again, and show you guys around how the road looks, or even the patio, so you guys can see the situation of the snow. And see here, like that. Isn't it cool? Yeah, it does look cool. Alright folks, I will see you in a bit.